Your perspective shapes your reality. The way you interpret situations, challenges, and opportunities determines how far you progress in your life. Many people feel stuck, not because they lack potential, but because they view life through a limiting lens. By shifting perspective, you can unlock new possibilities, overcome obstacles, and accelerate personal and professional growth. In this video, we will explore how changing the way you think about different aspects of life can help you progress faster and more effectively. Perspective is the way you see and interpret the world around you. It influenced by past experiences, beliefs, and social conditioning. A study published in Psychological Science found that people with a growth mindset who see challenges as opportunities rather than threats are more likely to achieve long-term success. Shifting perspective doesn't mean ignoring reality. It means adjusting how you react to it to create better outcomes. Common perspective shifts that lead to progress. Seeing failure as learning experiences rather than personal setback, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth instead of barriers, interpreting criticism as constructive feedback rather than personal attack, understanding that discomfort is a sign of growth, not a signal to stop. Career and success. Fixed versus growth mindset. Dr. Carol Dweck's research. People who believe abilities are developed through effort achieve more than those who believe talents are fixed. Example, if you see rejection as a redirection rather than failure, you will keep applying for opportunities instead of giving up. Relationships. Perception shapes interaction. If you assume the worst about people's intentions, you will create conflict where there is none. Harvard study of adult development. Long-term happiness is tied to strong, positive relationships which require open-mindedness and adaptability. Health and well-being. How you perceive health impacts your choices. Viewing exercises as a punishment leads to inconsistency, while seeing it as self-care fosters commitment. Stanford University research. People who believe stress is harmful suffer more negative effects than those who see it as a motivator. Reframe challenges. Instead of saying why this is happening to me, ask what can I learn from this. Example, losing a job can be seen as a disaster or an opportunity to pivot into something better. Practice gratitude. Journal of Personality and Social Psychology says that practice gratitude rewires the brain to focus on possibilities instead of limitations. Start by writing down 3 things you are grateful for daily to develop a positive perspective. Seek diverse perspective. Surrounding yourself with people who think differently broadens your mindset. Reading, traveling, and engaging in discussions challenge fixed ways of thinking. Use cognitive reframing techniques. Replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. Instead of I am bad at this, say I haven't mastered this yet. Therapy-based techniques like CBT or cognitive behavioral therapy help rewire thought patterns. Morning mindset check. Start your day by setting a intentional perspective. Focus on possibilities, not limitations. Challenge negative assumptions. When facing a problem, ask yourself, is there another way to see this? Practice self-awareness. Reflect on how your current perspective is shaping your experiences and adjust as needed. Set growth-oriented goals. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Celebrate small wins. The way you see the world determines how far you go in life. Changing your perspective isn't about ignoring reality. It's about choosing a mindset that fuels growth and progress. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment on what perspective shift has helped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insight on personal development and success.